another video. It's your girl Shade, and of course, I have a lot of people with me. I want to meet them. We'll try Europe and do like a video. On the mister. I forgot for her phone. I'll do her body the other round later, but she's there, she's safe. And you can blink twice if you're safe. You safe? Alright. So we are going to be doing a supermarket race challenge. Who is the fastest shopper? That is very essential because you know COVID time, so you need to get in and out as fast as possible. So Anika, yeah, she get promoted. She's not a contestant. She is the host of this challenge. So she can give a little money and she can give her grocery list, and we have to go in there and find the things them. No, I don't know what's on the paper. Rochelle, you know what's on the paper? Nope. Because she's a thief, so you have to ask her and looking at her and make sure she's not telling a lie. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, comment, and I know she does say it, and subscribe, guys, if you're new to the channel, and remember to turn on your post notifications as I'll be posting twice a week. Put in a title made, please. Let's begin, shall we? Anika, what you want to tell with the instructions, or we need to pick the team?
Pick the team.
Pick the team. She prepared. Yeah.
Not what I can.
Remember the bag? Oh, my lucky nation.
Yeah.
Now mash up the car, please.
I'm gonna say. I'm nervous.
I'm sure she wants to know the paper. What you going to get? Who I won?
Rochelle won.
Okay.
Anything you have to say? Anything to your contestants?
I'm glad it's switched.
Remember not my knee.
The last time.
She want to tell her contestants that she bang up her knee.
You want? Give me one bag.
Alright, so I'm going to give you the paper with the money, $1,000. Right? You're going to have some clues on the paper. Who can find everything on the paper in the shortest time? Win. No, come collect the paper.
Don't let me into now.
Yep, money drop.
No, you should
the money.
You should have made them cash. There, put it in here. Put it in here.
Alright. You cannot mix anything with it on the list. Don't look on it. Oh, you look on there. Don't look on it yet. Was everything individual. 6 things they on it. 6 things you must come back with. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then this.
Yeah. But this is 142, this is 204.
Get a soup.
This is what will be the cheapest one.
Something scented. Something, what you say? No, not fruity, yes, sir? Fruity and farmed. Sweet and hard. Something scented, something.
Oh, you can show them.
Nothing can go, yes, sir?
No.
Which part of the candy? It's a chocolate. A chocolate make coffee? A chocolate make coffee?
No, it depends. I think they have the chocolate tea. I don't want the chocolate tea.
Chocolate. Something chocolatey. Tick off that one. It's liquor, right?
Can I help you? What spike mean liquor? Not spiky, something spiked. Yeah.
Something spiked. That means with rum, right? Something sweet and hard, nutty.
What's the rum in it? It's not your what kind of ice?
Yeah, yeah. Because we got money. Fruity and farm. Fruity and farm. Fruit, wait, no, fruity, wait, no. Fruity. You think peanut fruity?
Yeah, but wait,
Peanut, you know the roast peanut, them don't probably have them there. We look for them there, but
where from?
yeah, so something scented now, but that be liquor. Some of them putting at the oats.
Oh yeah, what's the point of us? I need to find something that the franchise. But you want to find, you know.
Sorry, I'm gonna go from there, I'm gonna get the chocolate.
Yeah, see. You know, that
And the sweet, the lollipop. They have no one, nobody, nothing.
whatever that means.
Scented.
Scented. Shouldn't that be $100,000? Come,
Or
girl.
you can get some ear freshener.
What's your money? You don't have ear freshener. So now the ear freshener, so we'll get for the O's. Which one in there? That's a franchise, we don't know. So let's search until we find it.
I don't like a cheap one. But we did take out this for chocolate, you know?
Oh, what's the chocolate? Give me. A lollipop. What you want?
Let me see this.
What you want? One of this? This is sweet and it's hard.
Make sure how much one? Something fruity and farm, something scented, something nutty. So we have chocolate, we have fruity. These are the fruit, no, nutty. So hard. So we need nutty and scented and spike. No, we need spike and she said 6 things. We need something.
Fruit and nutty. These are the nutty, you know, something.
So we need fruity and farmed.
Three things, something scented, fruity and farmed, something spiked. I said this is what something chocolatey. Chocolate up there, so if I top nutty,
Come peanut.
hard.
Over them farm. What you mean farm? She don't know what she's talking about. Farm. You must sell about people. Oh, it's not a fruit. Oh, up pressure.
How much are you like? I guess that alone one, right? And this
Also, go for your fish.
Kaya tattoo sa ito pala. No, we're gonna lose.
Them na inalign yun.
Them ask to skip, guys. Them actually might win. That is cheating. I think so.
Shoot, them gonna put them nervous. Shoot, and everybody in the line have a
Again, she's suing me, She's suing me to the asking man, so she probably.
No? How much? 6 minutes?
You can tell me it after this week.
Them catching?
Wrong line.
exactly.
I saw them ask for skipping him.
How are you, Mikey?
Thank you.
Mine don't get licked dog.
Don't like that. Don't like it. It was a race. It was smart enough. It never in a rule. Must do no. You were asked to skip, but it never in a rule.
Anika, you help them. You help them. We feel say Anika help them.
It never.
Anyway, receipt now.
Where receipt there?
Roll out receipt and thing. When they come back with change.
Everything comes to $500.
Brown scrums.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Come now, what's your phone on to? She have a bill.
Now who spend the less?
But then buy. What must you want to buy? And partner? Alright.
Watermelon.
I want to buy Heineken too.
Something same.
Alright.
You can't respond. Hold on, you can't respond to the car?
Something nutty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Something chocolatey.
Yeah.
Something fruity and sweet.
Oh yeah,
Firm.
you can't give me commission.
Something scented. And something sweet and hard.
Put it on the lollipop.
Come share with me now.
Put it on the lollipop. Pass the list.
Use spoon on this. Got any friends weekend. I'm thinking, something chocolatey.
Oh, yes, we have to put her dish of 2 spike on. So she doesn't end up telling you chocolate.
Ah!
Shani, that's what I'm take out. You're gonna order?
Alright, something spiked. Something chocolatey. Something sweet and hard. Something fruity and farmed. Something nutty. And something scented. Freshen up your own. Wanna win? I can't win. Be honest. A race, of course, they for beg and blind. You know, much try and try. The man see cash on the line, they go over the store, the people they send them back. So them beg skip. I took that name.
Alright guys, I think this is mine.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this challenge. It turns out that the faster set of shoppers are Woo! But don't worry, we'll be back with another challenge.
We will.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye.